Hello everyone, this is Paras. I'm doing my recap for the December 26th. I've been trading live since the start of this year, and I've also been a part of the pilot mentorship program. I can definitely tell that my trading skills or my trading has improved a lot since the time I've been a part of this program, and it has definitely given me a new perspective in trading in terms of cutting my losses, in riding the profits, as well as what's the anticipation and the confirmation area. So helped me a lot in terms of trading. And today is a very good example where I took 6 trades. Out of the 6 trades, I lost money on 4 trades and won on 2 trades. Still, I was able to hit my daily profit target. So let me just go over my trades that I made today. My first trade was with Teva. Teva, as soon as it was an opening range breakdown strategy where I went short as soon as it broke the opening range, and the stock, my stop loss was just above the VWAP. However, the stock wasn't dropping the way that I expected. I expected the stock to drop faster, but it wasn't dropping. So I just got cold feet and just got stopped out, just to make sure that I don't get squeezed. The second trade that I took was with MU. MU was initially had gap down, and then it wasn't really making any new lows in terms of on a 1 minute chart, as well as it was making continuously higher highs. And I wanted to capture the red to green move with a profit target on these moving averages and the break of the high of the day. However, it did go above the previous day close, but it did not really make any further new highs, and it started dropping below the VWAP. So I came out as soon as my stop loss was just below the VWAP. I just came out. I'm glad that I did, because it eventually dropped. My third and my all the remaining trades were actually on Facebook. So Facebook, what I saw was it had initially was opened really strong, and then it made a new high. When it was doing so, basically what this particular stock was actually normally what the stock normally does is it just does a pullback to the VWAP and then goes back again when the stock is strong. However, uh, I anticipated that the stock is gonna touch the VWAP and go back, the making an ABCD pattern. However, I went just above the VWAP to make sure that I have a good risk management, and my stop loss was a very tight stop loss just below the VWAP. So as soon as it broke the VWAP, I just came out, and what I saw was it did go down a little bit, but it wasn't that weak enough to break all the other levels. So, and one more thing that I saw was this particular 5 minute candlestick, which is a clear indication that there's a huge buying pressure on it. So I went long as soon as it made a new 5 minute high and a new 1 minute high. So as soon as it made a new 5 minute high on the 5 minute chart and a 1 minute high on a 1 minute chart, I went long. And if you look at it, it actually squeezed a lot of people who were short, and it gave me a good move. I didn't really expect this much so fast, but this was a $1 move, which I got. So I immediately came out because I had a profit target of 129.09. So I came out. The next thing I see is now after from the resistance level, it's going down and making an engulfing pattern. What I see is it's making new lows on a 1 minute chart, and as soon as it broke the VWAP, I wanted to cover into this moving averages. So that was my plan, and as soon as I went in, it went a little down, but it started coming up, and my risk was not really good because ideally the risk should have been 129.09. So my idea was to come out as soon as it breaks the 1 minute moving averages, and if the stock is weak, I can go back in again. So that's exactly what I did. I cut my losses short. I came out of the trade. Then as soon as I see that the stock is making is a trend and making lower and lower highs, I went short, and eventually scaled out and covered um, in 6 particular trades. And this particular move was a $2 move, which was a huge move. And this is what led me to hitting my daily profit target. So 6 trades, 4 losers, 2 winners, 33% winning rate, but still managed to hit the profit target. Thank you.